Hello, this is Siddiq Rahman. Today I'm going to teach you how to invite your Facebook page admin. So let's get started. If you want to invite your Facebook page admin to other persons, so first of all you want to need your Facebook apps which have your Facebook account or Facebook page. So let's get started. This is my Facebook account. So I have a colon apps. There's the my page. These apps have account, and this is the main app, and they have an other account. So this is my apps, and I click on this, and this is my home page. And now I'm gonna click on the right side tab menu, the right side. On the other option you can click on the dashboard. So if you don't show your profile on dashboard, then you can easily click on there, or others you can click on profile button and click on the channel dashboard. Then you can scroll down, and then you can see the fourth options. You can have other, and this support settings and tools. You can click on tools, and then when you click on the tools, then you can see the this like of dashboard, and scroll down, and this is the option in page access. Click on the page access, and if you have two-way, you can invite by a task which have a people like a Facebook follow your page and like your page, that they're engaged with you. And there is other option is the business portfolio with access. They have a new to meta business AdWord, and other option is people with Facebook access. And now we are invited by people with Facebook access because we have friends in this account. So there's the next, and search the people link, and this is the people I will invite, and click, and you can see the all control, and you can select control. Then we are given the all control and give access, and then here's your, then we are receive a code with our email, and we are back, and the email, open the email, refresh. We need to a couple of minutes, and we are receive email. Good, and copy. Then here's the paste, and continue. Let's confirm. Then our invite is done. Then we are back, and this is the profile, and we are check the notification. And now you can, if you want to accept, or now if you want to decline. If you accept, then review invite, and next, and accept. Then you are also admin this page, and we are easily switch this page. So this is the simple trick. If these videos help us further, definitely you can follow and subscribe my channel and follow my page. Thank you so much. Have a good day.